Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle fall burlap floral wreath. What you will need, I have an adorable sign, so cute. I also have a wreath ring which has the chenille stems attached. I have orange and white burlap ribbon. And then I have 10-inch long burlap. Also scissors, a hot glue gun, and this gorgeous fall bouquet that I'm going to add in as the final touch to my wreath. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to start off, I have two 12-inch long pieces of the burlap. I have them layered almost directly on top of each other. I'm going to scrunch, 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 and then place it on the chenille stem and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. I have two more pieces. Again, they're layered almost directly on top of each other, but there's about an inch difference. Scrunch it in the center and place it in the very next chenille stem. So I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring. Alright, so this is what the outer stem looks like. Now for the inner ring, I'm going to just scrunch one piece of burlap right in the center and place it in each chenille stem. You can definitely go with two on the inner ring like we did on the outer ring. It's completely up to you. Alright, I'm going to get the rest placed and show you what it's looking like. I'm also adding one more piece of burlap to my outer ring, but I figured this last piece will give it some extra volume. Alright, and we are all done. It looks so cute and fluffy. Now it's time to add our adorable sign for the center. So with the sign, I have cut off the top hanger. I flip my sign over, take two chenille stems, twist them together to make one long chenille stem. Repeat this step for the top and the bottom, and make sure you have enough of the chenille stem hanging off the side of your sign to attach it to the wreath. Then we're going to use hot glue to glue the chenille stems to our sign. Alright, this is what it looks like. Now we're going to add it to the center of our wreath. And I kind of shimmy it into place and take the chenille stem, and I want to find the actual wreath ring and wrap the chenille stem around the wreath ring a couple of times. Repeat this step with all 4 stems, making sure it's nice and secure. And once you have all the stems in place, just adjust the wreath to cover any gaps or spaces that you may have. Make sure it looks nice and full. I have removed some of the flowers from the gorgeous fall bouquet, and I'm going to add them to my wreath. You can add a ton of flowers. You can add pretty much whatever you choose. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I'm going to place these where I would like them and take hot glue and glue them in place. Again, this is your time to make it exactly how you'd like. Just have fun with it. Be creative. Alright, so again, I like to place all of them before I start gluing just to make sure I like how it looks. Now I'm going to take my hot glue and glue all of the flowers and extra decor in place. And you are all done. Cute, simple, sweet, and easy to do. Modify the colors, the styles, add in any additional embellishments you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own.